sit down and spend the rest of the day over there. God damn.
Did I miss him?
I don't know.
It looks like he's limping. I think he's about to go. Fuck.
I can't tell.
What?
Can you get another shot?
I'll try. Who's on?
Get him. Yeah. He's pretty confident he got him. We rewatched the footage. He buckled a little bit, so we think we got him. We're gonna go look here in a minute.
you